Most people have no idea if they're ahead or behind financially. And when you see the real net worth numbers by age, they're either going to make you feel relieved or a little uncomfortable. So in this video, we're going to take a look at the latest 2026 data showing the average and median net worth for every decade, what those numbers really mean, and what you can do if you feel like you're falling behind. Before we jump in, I think it's important to understand one key point. The average net worth can be misleading because a small number of very wealthy households push that number higher. The median gives a much clearer picture because it shows what the typical household actually has. So with that in mind, let's take a look at the numbers. And one thing to also keep in mind is that most people's biggest wealth growth happens in their 40s and 50s. So if you feel behind today, that doesn't mean you'll stay behind. Age group 20s. Average net worth $139,243. Median net worth $6,600. Now most people in their 20s are just getting started financially. Lower income, entry-level jobs, and student loans often keep net worth low during this stage, and that's completely normal. Many people are focused on building their careers, maybe gaining some experience, and simply just learning how to manage money on their own for the very first time. The goal in your 20s isn't to be wealthy yet. It's to create a strong financial foundation that you can build on for decades. This is the time, however, to focus on habits that have long-term impacts. Avoiding high-interest debt, living below your means, saving consistently, and starting to invest as early as possible can make a huge difference later on. Even small contributions matter because time is your biggest advantage. The more you can build good financial discipline now, the easier it becomes to grow your net worth as your income increases. Age group 30s. Average net worth $325,952. Median net worth $23,093. Now income usually increases in your 30s, but so do expenses. This is often the decade when people buy homes, start families, upgrade their lifestyle, and take on more financial responsibilities. With more money coming in, it can feel natural to spend more, but this is also where many people make a costly mistake. If your lifestyle grows just as fast as your income does, your net worth may not grow much at all. Your 30s are a critical time to build momentum. The key is to keep investing consistently, avoid lifestyle creep, and increase your savings rate every time that your income rises. Instead of upgrading everything, try directing raises and bonuses towards retirement accounts and investments. The financial habits that you build in this decade can have a major impact on your long-term wealth. Now, if you're in your early 30s, Fidelity's guideline says that you should aim to have about 1 times your annual salary saved for retirement by age 30. If you're close to that number, you're in good shape. If not, this is the decade to increase your savings rate and get momentum going. So before we go any further, here's a quick reminder of what net worth actually means. Net worth is simply what you own minus what you owe. Assets include things like savings, investments, and real estate. Debts include credit cards, loans, and mortgages. The goal over time is to grow your assets and reduce your debt so that your net worth keeps moving higher. Hi, I'm Greg Hardy, and welcome back to the channel, and thank you for being here. We cover all things personal finance, investing, and building a secure financial future. So if you're serious about taking control of your money and learning something new every week, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. It really helps the channel out and gets this information to more people who need it. Thank you. Age group 40s. Average net worth $750,578. Median net worth $68,698. Your 40s are often your peak earning years, but they also come with some of life's biggest financial responsibilities. This is the stage when many people are balancing mortgage payments, raising kids, saving for college, and managing higher day-to-day expenses. With so much going on financially, it can be easy for saving and investing to take a back seat. But this is actually one of the most important decades for building long-term wealth. The biggest wealth moves in your 40s are increasing your retirement contributions, staying consistently invested, and avoiding the temptation to upgrade your lifestyle too aggressively as your income grows. This is the point where years of consistent investing start to add up, and compounding begins to do more of the heavy lifting. The more you can stay disciplined during this decade, the more powerful the results can be later on. By age 40, the goal increases to about 3 times your salary saved for retirement. This is where consistent investing really starts to matter because your contributions and market growth begin working together. Age group 50s. Average net worth $1,364,050. Median net worth $180,227. Your 50s are the stretch run towards retirement. While many people are earning their highest incomes during this decade, the window to build wealth is getting smaller, which makes this a critical time to get serious about your financial plan. The decisions you make now can have a major impact on how comfortable and secure your retirement will be. This is the decade to focus on maximizing retirement contributions, taking advantage of catch-up contributions if you're eligible, paying down or eliminating debt, and increasing your savings rate wherever possible. Even small adjustments, like directing raises or bonuses into retirement accounts, can make a meaningful difference. With fewer years left for compounding, every extra dollar that you invest now has the potential to significantly improve your financial future. And by age 50, the target jumps to about 6 times your salary. So if you're behind at this stage, increasing contributions and taking advantage of catch-up limits can make a big difference. Age group 60s, average net worth $1,577,907. Median net worth $274,564. Net worth typically peaks in your 60s as many people transition into retirement and begin shifting from building wealth to living off the money that they've saved. This is a major financial turning point where the focus moves away from contributing and towards creating a strategy for steady, reliable income. The priorities during this decade are protecting your savings, managing withdrawals carefully, and making sure your money lasts throughout retirement. This often means being more mindful about investment risk, creating a withdrawal plan, and keeping a close eye on spending. The goal is to maintain financial stability so that your savings can support your lifestyle for many years to come. And by age 60, the goal is now around 8 times your salary. And by retirement at 67, the long-term target is roughly 10 times your salary. At this stage, the focus shifts from building wealth as fast as possible to protecting what you've built. Age group 70s, average net worth $1,456,151. Median net worth $220,067. After retirement, net worth often begins to decline, and that's completely normal because this is the stage where you're using the money you've spent decades building. The focus now shifts from growing your wealth to maintaining stability, managing withdrawals carefully, and making sure your savings last for the rest of your life. A thoughtful withdrawal strategy, controlled spending, and keeping investments balanced for both growth and protection can help support a comfortable and secure retirement. It's easy to look at these numbers and feel either ahead or behind, but the reality is that net worth is highly personal. Everyone's situation is different, and your financial progress depends on factors like your income, where you live, your career path, your family situation, and the financial choices you've made along the way. Two people, the same age, can have very different net worths and still both be on the right track for their own goals. Instead of focusing on how you compare to others, it's more helpful to look at your own progress over time. What matters most is whether your net worth is moving in the right direction. Consistent habits like controlling your spending, avoiding unnecessary debt, and investing regularly will have a much bigger impact than trying to match someone else's numbers. The goal isn't to beat an average, it's to build a financial life that works for you. If you stay focused on the habits that grow your net worth year after year, you'll put yourself into a stronger position no matter where you're starting from today. Now, let's talk about some practical ways to make that happen. Number 1, pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debt is one of the biggest obstacles to building wealth because the interest works against you instead of for you. Credit cards and other high-rate loans can quietly drain your income and slow your progress. So paying off this type of debt gives you a guaranteed return equal to the interest rate that you're avoiding, and it frees up money that you can now redirect towards saving and investing. The debt snowball method, which is paying off the smallest balance first and then rolling that payment into the next debt, can help you build momentum and stay motivated as you work towards becoming debt-free. Number 2 is to save and invest consistently. Now, one of the most powerful ways to grow your net worth is to make investing a regular habit. A strong long-term goal is to invest around 15% of your income, but the most important thing is consistency. Start by building an emergency fund so unexpected expenses don't push you into debt. Then focus on capturing your employer's 401k match, contributing to a Roth or a traditional IRA, and investing additional money into a brokerage account if possible. Over time, steady contributions and compound growth can make a huge difference, and consistency matters far more than trying to time the market. Number 3, increase your income. There's a limit to how much you can cut expenses, but your income potential is much harder to cap. Increasing your earnings gives you more room to save, invest, and accelerate your progress. This could be negotiating raises, changing jobs, learning new skills that lead to higher pay, or creating additional income through a side business or freelance work. Over time, building multiple income streams, including passive income from investments like dividends, rental properties, or digital products, can create much more financial security and speed up your wealth building journey. Number 4, pause before big purchases. Large purchases can have a long-term impact on your net worth, especially when they increase your monthly expenses. A simple habit that can protect your finances is the 24-hour rule. Waiting a full day before making a major purchase gives you time to think clearly, compare options, and decide whether the expense truly fits your financial goals. This pause helps prevent emotional spending and encourages more intentional decisions, keeping your money focused on things that actually move your financial life forward. And number 5, track your net worth. What gets measured tends to improve. Tracking your net worth monthly or quarterly gives you a clear picture of your progress and helps you stay focused on your long-term goals. It also allows you to spot problems early, adjust your plan if needed, and see the results of your good financial habits over time. Watching your net worth grow, even slowly at first, can be incredibly motivating and reinforces the behaviors that build lasting wealth. At the end of the day, your net worth isn't just a number. It's the result of your habits, your decisions, and your consistency over time. Most people who build wealth didn't do it because they made one perfect move. They did it because they made steady progress year after year. If you feel behind today, don't let that discourage you. What matters most isn't where you are right now, it's the direction you're moving. Here's something I'd really like to hear from you. After seeing these numbers, do you feel ahead, behind, or right on track for your age? Share it in the comments, and if you're comfortable, let me know your age range and your biggest financial goal right now. Are you focused on paying off debt, maybe building your first $100,000, increasing your retirement savings, or something else? Seeing where others are in their journey can be incredibly motivating, and your comment might encourage someone else who feels like they're behind. The truth is, most people are closer than they think. They just need a plan and the consistency to stick with it. And if this video helped you put your situation into perspective, take a moment to think about one small step you can take this week to move your net worth in the right direction. Because when it comes to building wealth, the biggest changes don't come from one big decision. They come from small, consistent actions over time. Now, if you found this video eye-opening, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who you think needs to hear it. And if you want more practical, no-nonsense advice on building wealth and securing your financial future, then check out this video here. And also, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.